Hello, welcome back for lesson number 20. I put a title called Skim Path. Today we're going to cut the circumference again on the diamond shape. This is to reduce the corner radius for the next two to follow. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. Today's content, as usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue the lesson today. This is the result on the previous lesson. So you can see that we use a diameter 3 end mill, make a 2 cut on the diamond shape. We need to hide this operation so that the next two can carry on. So we're going to use profile. Using the same profile as we created on the last operation, we click OK, and we need to manage the two. This round is going to be a diameter 2 flat end mill, which is we need to change the corner radius to 0 and the diameter is 2. This is the third two, so I put a 3 for the T3. Continue with OK. Follow with that, we need to edit the parameter of this operation by right-click the mouse, edit, and set the frame. G54 is the first one that we need to update. Follow with the RPM 1500. On top of that, so we need to set the top of the profile and also the bottom on the profile for the tool to travel. We need to reduce the wall thickness, meaning to say the side thickness is 0.5 now, from the previous lesson was 1. Now the bottom thickness still the same, but we need to cut the base only. With that, we need to set the engage as well as the retract to 2 because it's a smaller tool. I changed the color to orange and we can perform a calculate so you can see how is the result. Looks good, but we need to verify by using the verified button. You can see that the z-axis go to z-4, which is correct after we set the G54 in the frame. Perform a solid verify. The shape is much more nice, much more better after we do this skim cut. After that, we need to continue with the visual to ensure that everything is to our expectation. Happy with that? So we can save this file. Let me switch the screen to show you the step-by-step how to perform the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you the step-by-step how we're going to accomplish the tasks from the theory part. First, we're going to double-click the previous operation, collapse it as well, so that we no need to see the detail on that. Follow with the 2-axis mill on profile. We use the previous profile created on the last operation. Click OK. We're not going to use the 2 over here. We're going to change it to a diameter 2 flat end mill. Oops. Change the radius to 0 and the diameter is 2. With that, we put the 2 number is 3. Yeah, the rest is filled up by itself. Okay. We do not need to calculate for the time being. We need to set the parameter. Set to G54. The RPM is 1500. Top boundary is here. Bottom is over here. And need to change the wall thickness to 0.5. Bottom is 1. And we need to cut base only. No change for the path setting. We just need to engage at the 2 mm and retract with 2 as well. Follow with that, we change the color to orange and perform a calculate. Yes, looks good. Let us do a verify. Set the frame to G54. Bring the 2 down. You can see this jack -4, which is correct. So we can close this one. Click OK. Perform a solid verify. Let me do this and then do a quick cut. Follow with the analysis. Seems like to our expectation, everything looks better and good. Okay, close this, and we save this file for the next lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again for more operation on this part. Bye bye.